Hi, it's Andrew from the Live Here team, and welcome to the Alma project. And now that it's finished, just happy to show everybody the work that's been done. So this vision started when my parents had decided to retire and they wanted to move to Guelph to be closer to my wife and our family. My wife and I and our 3 kids were now looking for some more space. So we wanted to find a place that we could convert an existing structure to a garden suite, a nanny suite, a laneway suite, whatever you want to call it, an additional unit that they would be comfortable living rent-free, close to my wife and our kids. And we were able to find a property that had a 1,200 square foot oversized shop that was well built, and that we were able to convert it to a 1,200 square foot 2-bedroom apartment suite. And that's what I'm excited to show you. So we were able to go forward with converting a 1,200 square foot oversized shop into a 1,200 square foot accessory unit that has a large living space, a large kitchen, a large bedroom with walk-in closet, a 3-piece bathroom, in-suite laundry, and a 300 square foot storage area which could be later converted into a second bedroom. As a bonus feature, there's a 300 square foot walkout garage space that is used right now for garden storage and whatever else we need. Well, I would say the first step that anybody could take when wanting to take on a project like this would be to reach out to a real estate professional where we could provide the insight based on experience. A lot of us, myself included, have backgrounds in things such as construction, gaining permits, closing permits, things like that. So then we can kind of walk you through it. After that, it's a conversation with your municipality planning department. So you need to reach out to them and decide with them whether this is something that's allowed to be done. You can do your own research online, go through municipal bylaws to see what's on paper. But then there's also things like official plans that aren't always easy to interpret. And that's when a conversation can happen with the municipal planning departments, where you can find out whether maybe it's not in the bylaws now, but maybe it's coming. And that's actually the step that we took as well. The Live Here team can help you basically from beginning to end with this type of project. We can help you seek out the appropriate property. We can help facilitate those conversations with the planning departments based on the experience we have. And then through our network of professionals that we've dealt with over the years, we can help you decide who's best to use for these types of projects. And then at that point, if financing is something that is necessary to help with, we have in-house financing. So whether it's purchasing a property that maybe you need to upscale from what you have, or maybe you want to infill on the property that you already have, and rather than building this for family members like I did, maybe this is a rental investment opportunity. And in that case, then we have our in-house team that can help you. And when you have rental income for a place like this, you actually have access to more financial options.